Lands, oceans, and atmosphere. These are the constantly changing elements of the Earth's system. While scientists know that these elements are connected, it is still unclear how a small change in one element could affect the others. The solution? Remote sensing, flying extremely precise instruments in space that orbit the Earth and collect continuous global measurements over long periods of time. For over a decade, NASA's Earth-observing satellites have delivered critical climate data. Scientists need this data to understand how and why our planet changes over time. It also helps them make better predictions of future climate patterns. Now, NASA is ready to launch a new sensor technology, the Visible Infrared Imager Radiometer Suite, or VIIRS. This sensor will fly on NASA's next-generation Earth monitoring satellite, the NPOS Preparatory Project, or NPP. VIIRS is a continuation of the MODIS instrument flown on NASA's Aqua and Terra satellites.
From my perspective, VIIRS is the most important instrument on NPP because it provides continuity to MODIS, and MODIS has become an extremely important instrument for global monitoring. I think it's one of the success stories of the NASA program, and we're hoping that VIIRS will be the same.
With multi-channel imaging capabilities, VIIRS will deliver environmental data products faster than its predecessors. These products include visible and infrared imaging of hurricanes, forest fires, volcanoes, sea surface temperature, ocean color, and atmosphere aerosols. VIIRS will continue adding to the decades of existing data records, helping scientists unravel the mysteries of climate change.
The VIIRS instrument is a scientific measurement tool. It's an instrument that has calibrated measurements of the land surface, and it converts those into digital numbers that are then downlinked to a ground station. We would take those observations and then we would use those to provide input to models that we're developing that simulate the processes of the land, and to try then to see what happens if some of those parameters change.
Scientists use these models to increase their understanding of the complex interaction between the Earth system's elements, and then make improved global climate predictions.
I think the critical thing about the NPP VIIRS instrument is that we will get long-term data records, and I think if you want to monitor how the Earth's surface is changing, we need consistent data records, and I think this is why this is so important for NASA science, but it's also important for me personally. I can understand how we're responding to climate change and how climate change is affecting the Earth's surface.